How to fix Instagram and Facebook contacts and connect. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your contacts to both Instagram and Facebook, and you can also connect your friends in that matter. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to connect contacts on both Instagram and Facebook and connect with friends from your contacts, we can do this in a very simple manner. So first, let's start with Instagram. We'll open up Instagram, go to our profile, tap the three lines icon, then go to Account Center. Now under Account Center, we can actually see various options over here. So if you go to this little accounts, you won't find the option to upload contacts. So you can just tap on the search bar, then type in something like contacts. So when you do that, you'll find the search results from Instagram that says upload contacts. Tap on it. Then you want to go ahead and then basically turn on connect contacts after allowing access to your contacts. When you do that, next time any type of suggestion you see on your Instagram page or Instagram will be those people from their contacts. Now same for Facebook as well. You want to open Facebook, go to your three lines option and go to this search bar or the settings and privacy. And in the search settings, just search for contacts uploading or similar something like that. When you do that, again you'll find this option called upload contacts. Tap on it. And again here also you want to turn on your Facebook account and select continuous contact upload, and any type of friends that will be recommended in the future will also be the one from your contacts. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon as always in our next video.